Hello then. Okay, governor. This X-T2 was sent to me by a friend. This one took a very deep dive. It went scuba diving. Yeah, long story. Anyway, let's do the first takedown, complete disassembly of the X-T2. I'll have a series of videos on this X-T2, and we'll take it completely apart. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, what you need to replace absolutely everything. What we call this is beyond repair. And modern components, no matter who makes them, are not really repaired. It's all parts. Well, some things are repaired, but most things are 99.9% of everything is parts replacement. But when 100% of the internals need to be replaced, we're not talking about like a splash of water. We're talking about took a dive, went scuba diving. I think I made that clear. So let's take apart the X-T2.